blended with the tundra's moonlight landscape. Further south, bordering the tundra's frozen plains, cold-tolerant trees take a root. Known as the tiger.
Scarlett likes that show. Scarlett watches that all the time. Don't you watch that, Scarlett? Don't you watch that? I get up in the morning. She doesn't want to watch it. Wants her breakfast. I give her breakfast. And she lies down. She doesn't want to watch it. And I have my water after my breakfast. And then comes, she doesn't want to watch it. And then comes the afternoon. She wants to watch it. Eh, Scarlett? And then, so I let her watch it. And then I say, well, I want to watch a movie. And she goes, Mom, where's my show? Where's my show?
Essential when the sun is low on the horizon for most of the time. The adaptation of dark evergreen needles.
She'd watch that show all the time, I let her.
Their thin foam also limits the amount of
He skated.
evaporation. Drying out is a serious risk, as throughout winter their roots are unable to absorb frozen groundwater. A few broadleaf deciduous trees, such as birch, have also adapted to the tiger's extreme climate.
Let us ascend.
Highly flexible limbs avoid breaking under the heavy strain of ice and snow. Certain mammals have adapted to make use of forest life. The reindeer here are slimmer and almost twice the height of their cousins on Svalbard.